Hello, and for my next tool, I chose Story Jumper, which is a creative tool utilized by teachers to encourage students to use props, scenes, backgrounds, and other photos to create their own stories. So templates with prompts are often provided for students to fill in or add on to stories already started. And here I'll show you how to make a book. So you're going to log on and create a free account, and then you'll be on your home page. So here's how you create a book. So you can have a blank one, or here's a few prompts that they give you. So we'll start with a blank one. As it loads. So here's our home page, and you can add any title you want. So I'm going to do what makes you happy. And here's where you put your author's name, yourself. So you can really make it any color you want. You can add photos to it. You can decorate this front page. So I am going to do a pretty photo of my dog. There we go. So now that's my background picture. So what makes you happy? So we'll talk about my dog. So again, we can do a simple background, or we can add in photos. These are the two photos I have from previous books. So we'll just do a simple scene of here. So this is really encouraging for students. They get to pick out what they want. They can be creative. They can write books on whatever topic you assign, or they can just make free books if they'd like. With Story Jumper, you can also make this a homework assignment, but here I'll also show you how you can use the props and edit. So here you are. We can make her bigger or smaller. And we can also make her talk. So down here in the voice button, you can make her talk. Doing a video, I won't be doing that because then it'll replay again, but you can make the characters in your story talk. And here we are. So what makes you happy? So this princess is happy with her kit. And you can also write text, and they give you a few options of text. You can make it a big box, you can make it pretty, a script, whatever you like. So we'll do this. We'll do this one. My cat makes me happy. You can make this also bigger or smaller. And then you can move it around the page wherever you like. So we'll put it up here at the top. So you can have as many pages as you like. Right now, this one goes to 16, but you can add more. Typically for younger students, they won't need any more than this, but that's how you make it. And this is what you would do. You would save it. And students have the option of buying it. They can re-edit it, download it, or share it with their friends or teachers. And then based off this, they give you some recommended books, and you can add comments. And that's Story Jumper.